next section of the 3DCoat user interface we're going to focus on is the activity bar, and that has received a major modification in 3DCoat 2024, which is currently, as of this recording, in a beta stage of development. The primary change with the activity bar is that it has been relocated to make it much more convenient and to also help declutter the user interface. Its new position and function is very similar to the panel bar in Photoshop in that it allows the user to move their cursor over the icon associated with the panel they want to open and access. Previously, the activity bar was located here in the upper right corner. Now, not only is it tucked away and hidden until you need it, but it is also closer to your work inside the viewport. So, for example, if you're modeling this object and you want to quickly access your brush alphas, simply move your cursor toward the right column and you'll see the activity bar appear. Then hover your cursor over the icon that is second from the top, which is the brush alpha panel. Knowing the activity bar allows you quick and more expansive access to your panel content, you can actually reduce the number of panels that are visible in your interface in order to give it a more simplified and cleaner appearance. In order to demonstrate this, allow me a moment to remove some of these panels that are docked in the right column. I'll skip forward just a bit and voila! Sometimes less is more. As I mentioned previously, when you move your cursor close to the right column, you will see the activity bar appear, and you can move quickly to panels that are docked in the right column without inadvertently activating any content from the activity bar. That means you will need to hover your cursor over the icon within the activity bar at least a split second before it will display its panel content. One noteworthy benefit that you will receive from the activity bar rather than a docked panel is that you get to use the entire length and width of the right column for displaying panel content. So for example, if I have a very large brush alpha subfolder, rather than being confined to a small section, 3DCoat will use the entire real estate of the right column to display the brush alphas. And with that, we will conclude this video regarding the activity bar and its relocation in 3DCoat 2024. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.